What's going on today? Another review in the car. Yay! I had coffee today. Anyway, as most of you might know, Stranger Things, the final season, is coming up this fall, November, I think it is, on Netflix. So, Doritos teamed up with them and did this. Someone just parked next to me and then left. I scared them. So Doritos Collisions limited edition. They got pizza and Cool Ranch mixed together in the same bag. And it's got that retro feel to it because Stranger Things is like that. Let's get some Stranger Things logos on there. Anyway, grab your favorite Doritos chips and teleport to 1987 for one last strange adventure. I like that show. Stranger Things. It's gonna be sad when it ends. Oh, that's interesting. So I got one chip here that looks like it's pizza. That looks like Cool Ranch. I like that combination. Pizza. Those are good pizza chips. Doritos. I like these. These are really good. And there's a little bit of spice in there, like, I would say it's not heat, like burning, but, you know, almost could be like a pepperoni, maybe? Pepperoni kind of spice. Just to go with that pizza chip. I really like these. Anyway. I gotta stop eating them so I can score the Doritos. All right. So I really like these. I'd get them again. I'm kind of sad they're limited time only because I probably won't be able to get them again. Probably after November, they'll stop making them. But I'm going to give these a 9 out of 10. Like, these are awesome. I really like these. It's been a while since there's been a product that I really liked, but this is it. Stranger Things Collision Doritos. Pizza and Cool Ranch mixed together, all in one bag. I like it. Doritos bigger than my mouth. Stranger Things. Coming soon. Remember, drive safe, and I'll see ya on the next one.